Breaking news out of the Jamaica House press briefing today. The second zone of special operations has been announced in Denham Town, Kingston. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement at a press conference this morning. Now, this evening, police and soldiers continue to be on the ground, as you can see from the barricades in the background. They've been here since this morning, conducting operations. We have team coverage of the announcement, plus reactions from the police, people and political representatives. First up, TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the announcement.
For strategic reasons which we will not disclose and we will not deliberate on, we have decided to declare Denham Town as the second zone of operations.
Another ZOSO declaration from the Prime Minister. Denham Town in West Kingston has met the first order criteria for the National Security Council.
Ongoing gang warfare, rampant criminality, escalating violence and murder, and a threat to rule of law.
There are 12 known gangs operating in Denham Town. Since 2015, there has been gang conflict between the TVJ Gardens/Young Generation Gang and the Denham Town Coalition as a result of the coalition refusal to conform with the Coke's family regime.
He says the gangs participate in extortion, armed robberies and contract killings, using the proceeds to strengthen their activities. And there are statistics to back up the decision. In relation to murders, Police Commissioner George Coelho says in 2014 there were 9 incidents and 10 victims. So far in 2017, 17 incidents and 17 victims. For shootings, there were 31 incidents and 50 victims in 2014. And so far this year, 26 incidents and 53 victims. Now, when Mount Salem St. James was declared as the first ZOSO, residents disputed the statistics, leading to a revision. On this occasion, however,
I am confident in the stats presented.
As for the exact location of ZOSO, affected areas include Greenwich, Metcalfe, William and Beeston Streets, Racecourse and Rose Lanes, as well as Spanish Town Road.
Basically, that western boundary goes around the Denham Town Primary School so that the school is not within the zone.
Meanwhile, with constant complaints of police brutality, the Prime Minister is assuring the public that all members of the joint force have received training in human rights. Senior Superintendent Everald Linton and Lieutenant Colonel Murphy Price are in charge.
Residents can expect to encounter checkpoints, cordon and searches, curfews, targeted operations, and residents should be prepared to provide identification.
Those without identification will be left to the discretion of the security forces. As for the social intervention component of ZOSO, another announcement is expected in the next 5 days. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.